Okay, happy Friday to all of my chick babes, luxe babes, and fur babies. I have a what? Amazon unboxing. Amazon unboxing. Happy Friday to everyone. I am so excited. Y'all know I love jewelry. And I found some cute jewelry on Amazon. And I love it. And y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna love it. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have the care packages. And y'all know what? I always, when you buy anything, jewelry, clothes, always cleanse it before you put it on, okay? Make sure you do that. Okay, so the first thing we have is the so this is so cute. And I love accessories. Okay, and it comes with, y'all, it is so cute. It is so cute. And some people call these dupes, but let me tell y'all something. All you're doing is paying for someone's name. I've done it. Yes, I have the Gucci bags. I have the Louis Vuitton bags, this bag, that bag. Same with jewelry. As a matter of fact, I have on the Tiffany, okay, Tiffany horseshoe bracelet, okay? But this is just, it's regular sterling silver horseshoe bracelet. It just have Tiffany's name on it, okay? That's all it is. Okay, moving on. So, all I'm saying is you're paying for names. Now, some people call these dupes. Guess what? Now, but let me tell you this now. Tiffany is one of the fashion, well, let me put it like this. Tiffany is an actual jewelry store. Cartier, they sell everything. So, to say something is real Cartier don't even sell real jewelry. It's fashion jewelry. Yes. It's not real gold. It's like gold plated. It's not 18 karat real gold. So let's move on. Okay, so I love buying gifts for myself. So it says, just for you. And then it says, looks beautiful on you. Okay. The best gifts are my own gifts. And it comes with a care cloth. If I can open it, it's sealed real good. Let me see. I have Chanel jewelry. And I have the Chanel brooch, and I paid a couple of $100s for it. But guess what? It's costume jewelry, people. Yes, it's costume jewelry. Okay, so it comes with a Care White, okay, duster. And so what I have is this is 18 karat gold plated. And it's by Pura Jewelry. Yes. And this is not going to turn at all. It's 18 karat gold. Okay. I do have a small wrist, y'all. Let's see. Okay, it's just right. It's just right. Look, y'all. That looks good. That looks so good. That looks very good. Okay, so I wanted to let y'all see how it look. It fits just right, actually. It fits just right. Fits just right. I love it. I love it. Now I am going to I like to clean. I don't know what y'all clean y'all jewelry in. I know you use jewelry cleaner, but I mean to get a real good spiritual cleanse, get negative energy off it, I use ivory soap. So I will be using ivory soap as well to cleanse this. Okay, this is cute. I love it. I love it. Accessories. So let me put this on. At least while I'm doing the video. Okay, what do we have next? Now, so y'all can shop with them on Amazon. They have some nice pieces. So I'm going to go on Amazon and do a review. It's very cute. I love it. I love it. And the next piece we have is I love these little care bags. I keep these. I keep them. Y'all make sure y'all keep y'all care bags to put your jewelry in so it won't get scratched up. So here's the 18 karat gold. Glove bracelet. I don't need Cartier's name in it. I have my own name. And I'm royalty. I don't need their name. They wish they had mine. It's a little bracelet. I wonder if it has the okay, so this one didn't come with a, you know, care white. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to clean both in the ivory soap as well. Yes, yes. Let's see, y'all. It looks like it's supposed to open somewhere. There it is. There it is, y'all. Okay, and okay, it fits. It fits just right. It fits just right, y'all. Look. That's nice. That's very nice. Now, I wouldn't wear both of these pieces together. I'll just wear one. Okay, I'll just wear one. And last but not least, I have the matching sometimes you see things be still so tight, which is good. So what I have here is the matching ring, love ring. Okay. Matching love ring. I love it. I'm sure I got a size 8. So it's going to fit one of my fingers. I got a size 8. Let's see. Okay. It fits good. It fits very good. It fits perfect, y'all. Yes, y'all, I had my nails done. And yes, I got tired of the pink, y'all. I got tired of the pink. So I went back to my black for a minute. Yes, this fits perfect. It fits perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to take these off and cleanse them in my ivory soap. Cleansing my ivory soap. Okay, I gotta get used to how to take this cuff off. Yo, I'm gonna be washing this. There we go. There we go. Ooh, I thought I was gonna have to. So we have to lift it. So this part goes over like that. I'll get used to it. So thank y'all for tuning into this video on this beautiful, beautiful Friday evening. It is approximately 7:20 p.m. So I guess we could call that nighttime shit, not evening. And I am cooking some barbecue chicken for dinner. I did not cook no breakfast this morning. I went to Dunkin' Donuts and grabbed a croissant. Yes, today was payday. Well, yesterday was payday. But today is Friday. I had to give myself a break, but I am cooking dinner. So I am baking some legs, chicken legs and thighs. I'm gonna barbecue them with some green beans. Yes, y'all know I have to get those vegetables in. Y'all make sure y'all eating healthy out there. So thank y'all for tuning into my video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos by Chick Babes, Lux Babes, and for babies.